Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E32s, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in Magic Fluids. After that, install this free app from Mad Scientist developer, and when it's ready, select Open. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Then click on those three lines at the bottom right one. Click on Settings at the top and choose I accept in First Things First pop-up. Then manage all of those options however you wish to. When you're ready, click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, you need to choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper and select the best option for you. In my case, home screen only. Now swipe up from the bottom of your screen and tap on Home button. As you can see, after that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!